Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Yasir and you're watching my channel Saji Fabricators. In this video, I will show you new metal art ideas for welders. Now head to the video. In this video, I will show you new metal art ideas from welders, like making new things from bike chains, bike gears, and engine parts, etc. In this video, I will show you new and creative ideas for welders. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Strong and heavy and awesome metal arts for welders. These metal are made from scrap and raw materials and nut bolts, etc. and bike chains, etc. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon.